Installation of CISS on Brother MFC-J6510DW. Place the CISS on the right side of the all-in-one. Pull out the small plugs and carefully place air filters instead. This is working state of the CISS. Make sure you keep the plugs for further transportation of the printer with installed CISS. Power up the all-in-one and turn it on. If the printer had been already used prior to CISS installation, pull the cartridges out of the cartridge following the manual. Open the cover of the chamber of the cartridges. Remove the orange protective element. Push down the cartridges of the CISS till they click in. Plug the sensor of the opened cover of the cartridges chamber. Close the cover of the cartridges chamber. Finish the preparation. In the input tray, place the plastic stoppers for required format. Load paper and press Start. The ink tank must be placed on the same level with the printer, not higher nor lower it. After you have printed a test page, following the instruction on the all-in-one screen, install all the settings you need. Have a good printing!